think I'm lazy, but it's so much easier.
Some people use their golf carts, and I use my Segway.
Today's going to be a good day. I sold a helicopter. That one right there in the box. Alrighty, girlfriend. Before we can move that helicopter out of the shop, you have to move. So you know what to do. Let's go. Move out of the way so we can get to work. Every time I see that car do that, I get a kick out of it. Looks like the guys are here for the helicopter, so we can start loading it up. Helicopters away. And then of course, once the little one sees Grandpa on the Segway, she's gotta go for a ride.